How to draw Winnie the Pooh, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So in today's video we're going to be learning how to draw Winnie the Pooh. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. Regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one. So if you're looking for a new place to draw, then I definitely recommend that you consider subscribing to the channel. So to begin, we're going to start off by drawing the outline of Pooh's face. We're going to draw a large squiggle line, going from left to right, that will be the outline of the top of the head. Next, we're going to draw two lines that will be the V-neck of Pooh's shirt. This will help us form the bottom of the head and the top of the shirt. On the left and right side of the points where we just drew the lines, let's go ahead and draw two curved lines to help make the collar of Pooh's shirt. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Once we are all done drawing those two curved lines, the next step will be to draw two circular shapes on the top of the head for the ears. Now, on the inside of the face that we previously drew together, we'll want to go ahead and draw the outline of the nose. The nose will look similar to a triangular shape with curved edges. Once we're all done drawing the outline of the nose, the next step will be to draw the eyes directly above. For the eyes, we'll make a simple curved line with a small black circle attached to it on each side. For detail, right above the nose, we can draw a small curved line, along with a curved line above each eye for the eyebrows. All done? If so, let's continue. Now let's go ahead and fill in the nose that we previously drew together completely black. We're just going to want to leave a small white dot towards the top right center for detail. Next, right below the nose, we're going to go ahead and draw the mouth of Winnie the Pooh. We're going to begin by drawing two small curved lines on the left and right hand side of the nose. Once we draw these two small curved lines, we can go ahead and connect them with a larger curved line going from left to right. This will make it appear as if Winnie the Pooh has a big smiley face. For my drawing of Winnie the Pooh, I'm going to make it appear as if his mouth is open, so I'm going to go ahead and draw an additional curved line attached to the one that we just drew together. Inside of this shape, we're going to draw a small tongue. Fantastic! So far this looks great. For the next step, we're going to want to go below the head and start to draw the lower body, beginning with the torso and the left arm and hand. On the left hand side of the page, we're going to want to draw the left arm sleeve. Coming out of the left arm sleeve, it's going to look like Winnie the Pooh has his hand on his hip. Nice! Now that will be our left arm sleeve. Let's go ahead and draw that left arm and hand that I previously mentioned just a few moments ago. Next, connected to the arm and hand that we just drew, let's draw a long curvy line going from left to right. This will be the bottom of Winnie the Pooh's shirt. Well done! We're not going to draw the right arm and hand just yet. We'll come back to this in just a few moments. Instead, let's go right below the arm and hand that we just drew, and let's draw the first leg of Winnie the Pooh. At the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause and color in your drawing the same as mine. Now I will go ahead and connect the left arm and hand to the leg that I just drew by using a small curved line. Whoa, this looks great! Now we're going to want to go ahead and draw the belly of Winnie the Pooh. So let's draw a big curved line connecting from the leg that we just drew together all the way over to this point that we made early on in the video. Next, let's go ahead and draw the right leg. This will be attached to the belly that we just drew together. Now last but not least, before we color in today's drawing, let's go ahead and draw the right arm and hand on the right side of the belly of Winnie the Pooh. This will look very similar to the one that we first drew on the left hand side. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Also, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Great job today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.